Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to present you how to insert dashed line shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert dashed line shape in this document. Go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu, and we can see here many shapes. Now we find and select the line shape. Then draw this shape in this page. Now we can see here we insert a line shape. Then click the line shape and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Outline and choose Dashes drop down menu and apply the dash line. Then again go back the shape outline and change the shape white to see the dash line very easily. Now we can see here we insert dash line shape very easily. You can change the line shape color. Go to the Format menu and click Shape Outline and choose any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.